This is your guide on how to buy a used iPhone. Usually it's a lot cheaper to buy an iPhone used, so this is the guide on how to make sure that you're checking everything you need to check. So before you meet this person, usually you'll be like looking on Facebook Marketplace or some sort of reseller platform. While you're in the chat, you'll ask them what the battery health is. And you want something over 90% because otherwise it will feel like a used iPhone and the battery capacity will just be really bad. Next, you want to ask how long it's used for. Ideally, you want less than a year. And then this is the third thing. You'll get all the information from this. You ask for the serial number or IMEI, and then you can go onto Google and search serial number or IMEI checker, put the serial number and IMEI in, and then you'll get like all this information about the product. It'll tell you when it was purchased, if it still has warranty, and the main thing is that it'll tell you if it's not blacklisted or stolen. So then once that's all good, once you're in person, you'll check the body of the phone, make sure that there's no dents or cracks or anything that they didn't tell you about. Then you'll check the sound and that the vibrate works and that the camera is working and that it's good quality, just to make sure all that's working. So you can check all this in settings, like you can check sound and vibrate in settings, and then camera, just open the camera. And then of course, make sure that they've factory reset the phone and that there are no passwords on it, otherwise you'll be locked out.